Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, doing another video today. In today's video, yes, I'm doing a camera comparison between the G7 ThinQ and the V30. People have been asking for this comparison, so I decided to work on it. Both cameras are really performing pretty good for me, but I want y'all's opinion on it. Y'all let me know which one actually is the best. Did the G7 ThinQ actually improve the cameras from the V30, or did they go backwards? Y'all let me know. But let's go over the specs really quick. On the G7 ThinQ, you have dual 16 megapixel cameras in the rear. Look at that thing, man, it's beautiful. Then on the front, you have a single camera, 8 megapixel camera in the front. Did the G7 improve from the V30 on the front cameras? I think so, but again, I want your opinion. On the rear, on the V30, you have a 16 and a 13 megapixel camera. They both come with a wide angle lens. Got to hit them up with that wide angle. Then on the front, it has a 5 megapixel camera. The front camera on the V30 is not the best. We already know that. But let's see if the G7 can actually beat it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this video. Pick a winner, leave it in the comments. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Enjoy this video. Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, doing a comparison video between the LG G7 ThinQ and the LG V30. I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second. Yes, I'm at my famous park. I'm shooting in 30 frames because that's what, both of these can do. They don't have 60 frames per second yet. But slow pan. It's a beautiful day in Texas. Just let me know how everything looks and sounds. I'm gonna switch the audio back and forth, but everybody's been asking for this comparison, so y'all let me know. Yes, I'm just walking, but y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Did LG actually improve the cameras from the V30 to the G7? I don't know. Y'all let me know. I think so, but I want your opinion on it. Do y'all hear that plane in the background? Look, any focusing problems? Man, that's actually broke pretty good. Look at the ground. Look at that. Which one has the best colors? More realistic? But y'all definitely let me know in the comments below which one y'all thought did the best job. I'm gonna come back with 1080p, 60 frames per second. And that's how we're gonna do this video. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. Man, these cameras are looking good on both phones, but let's see, like I said, let's see the G7. Look at the wind blowing them, blowing the leaves. But I'm just walking around the park, holding the phones, talking to trees. Shout out to Phone Tech at Work. I think he made a comment that Joseph likes talking to trees. But let's go in. Yeah, I see any focusing problems? I think the V30 took a little bit longer. There's a bee flying around my head. But I'm gonna get away from that tree real quick. But how's the stabilization on both? How does it look? Let's go to the... Do y'all see anything? Actually, it looks pretty good to me. Slow pan of the sky. Yes, it's a beautiful day in Texas. Let's go back into the shade, see if it messes with the cameras at all. Nope, I think it did pretty good. But again, it's just been 1080p at 60 frames. Y'all let me know how everything looks. How do I sound? Again, I'm gonna switch the audio back and forth. Peace, I'm out. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. How does everything look? How does the sky look? It is hot in Texas. One thing I forgot to mention in this video is on the V30, I could switch right now and go to wide angle. On the G7, I would actually stop the video to get to the wide angle. I don't like that. I really don't. I know my boy Leo from Android Stud will not like that either, because he likes hitting people with the wide angle. But again, y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Just walking in the park. Look, this is supposed to be a canal, ditch, drainage, whatever you want to call it. There's no water. You want to know why? Because it barely rains in Texas. It barely rains. But how's the stabilization? How do I sound? Which mics sound better? Because I'm going to switch the audio back and forth. But yeah, I'm just walking in the park. It's a hot day in Texas, man. Hot day. But let's see, focusing problems. Nope, that actually looked pretty good. Let's try that again. No, I mean, everything looks good on both phones, but y'all let me know which one y'all think did the best job. And I'm gonna come back with the front-facing cameras in just a minute. Peace. Okay, everyone, so I lied to y'all. This is actually 1080p, 30 frames per second, but I have hit y'all with the wide angle shot for the win. What y'all think about it? Y'all let me know. Yes, I wish I could switch to standard lens to show y'all how less you could get into the shot, but I can't do that on the G7 ThinQ. But y'all let me know how this wide angle looks. Man, it's a beautiful thing on both phones. I love the wide angle. Gotta hit them with it. But again, this has just been a quick sample of the wide angle on both phones. Y'all let me know how it looks in the comments. Now I'm gonna come back with the front facing video and we can judge that too. Peace. Hi everyone, this is Joseph. Yes, this is the front-facing camera on the G7 versus the V30. How do I look? How do I sound? Yes, I'm shooting this at 1080p, 30 frames per second, because that's the highest both phones can do. Did the G7 improve on the front cameras from the V30? Y'all let me know. I have my opinions, but I want to see your opinions. To me, I think the G7 has improved on the front cameras. That's just my opinion, but y'all let me know. Look, I'm gonna walk around. Yes, it's a bright day in Texas. Yes, I'm sweating a little bit, but that's okay. No sweat, no gain, right? But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Look, I'm just walking. The sun is right in my eyes. How does that background look? Look at the sky. Again, it's just been a quick test. I'm gonna go back into the shade. Let's see if the cameras can actually adjust to that. Whoa, watch out for the tree. But how does I look? I mean, how do I look? How do I look and sound? And how did the rest of the camera, how did the rest of the video look and sound? Y'all let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more videos coming out for the G7 ThinQ. Until next time, peace. You have a great day. Pick your winner below in the comments. Okay everyone, so this is the nighttime part of the video. I'm shooting this in 4K. Yes, it's the LG G7 against the LG V30 at 4K at nighttime in my little parking lot. What y'all think about it? Look at the light. Which one looks the best? Which colors look the best? I'm gonna do some walking. Yes, I'm by Big Lots. It's closed because it's really late at nighttime. Not gonna lie. Let's go into the tree. Which one do y'all like the best? Right now, it looks like the G7 looks pretty good to me. V30 colors seem a little bit off, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Again, it's just a little comparison. I'm gonna come back with the 1080p, 30 and 60 frames. But look at the tree. But again, it's just been a quick video sample. Until next time, peace. Okay everyone, so this is at 1080p, 60 frames per second. Yes, on the LG G7 versus the LG V30. Nighttime shot. Let's do a slow pan. Something I noticed on the LG G7, and it's not on the V30, or it's not a good thing. I can't change from regular lens to wide angle lens without stopping the video and starting the video over. I don't know why that is, because on the V30, if I wanted to go wide angle, I can just press the button and I will be in wide angle. But let's see, look, there's Big Lots. Yes, I'm just walking around my famous parking lot, talking to trees and bushes. But y'all let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna just do these video comparisons. People really do enjoy them. I like making them. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How does it look? How does I sound also? because I'm gonna switch the audio back and forth. But again, it's just been a quick sample. I'm gonna come back with the 1080p 30 frames per second in just a minute. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p 30 frames per second. Yes, I'm in the same parking lot. What y'all think? How do I look? I mean, how does it look? And how do I sound? I'm gonna switch the audio back and forth. Let's see if I see any focusing, hunting going on. Massage parlor. Might have to come get me a massage one day. But look, I'm under the light. That's kind of bright right now. You can hear the traffic in the background. Y'all look at the grass. Which one looks more realistic? They actually both look pretty good right there. So, but again, how's the stabilization on both of them? See, I'm gonna go to a little different area. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. I'm gonna go into this tree if I can get there. What y'all think about it? Again, it's just been a quick video sample at 30 frames per second at 1080p. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera on both phones, the G7 versus the V30. Y'all let me know how I look and sound. I'm not gonna lie, the G7 looks a whole lot better. At least on the phone it does. It might change once you get it to the computer, but it definitely looks like the G7 is a lot better on the front facing camera at nighttime. Y'all let me know how everything looks. How do I sound? It is hot in Texas. It's after midnight and it is still hot in Texas at this point. But I'm gonna walk around this way. So y'all let me know how I look and sound. There's big lights in the background. There's the light. Again, it's just a quick video sample. Just trying to compare the two. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.